Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today my Victoria's Secret order came. So I want to share my haul with you. So Victoria's Secret is currently doing $6 mist or lotion if you buy 5 or more. So I did place my online order. It picked up everything that my store did not have. So if you're new to my channel, definitely I would love for you to subscribe and keep on watching to see what I got and my thoughts. So the first I want to talk about is my favorite of what I picked up is the new Sunsplash Vanilla and Dreamy. I did pick up the other two. I have a video maybe a week or two ago that I filmed with the others. I should grab them real quick. I do have the Sunsplash Warm and Cozy and also the Sunsplash Fresh and Clean as well. And I definitely believe this one is my favorite. So this one has sweet banana, toasted coconut, and sun-kissed vanilla. So I know a lot of people are very excited for this one because it has that banana in it. And I also have read that a lot of people are also very disappointed because you can't really smell the banana all that much, and I do agree. So this is definitely more of like a tanning lotion type scent. I feel like it's heavy in that coconut. I think it smells really good though, really summery. It just reminds me of like the beach drinking like a pina colada and I've never done that, but it has that very like nostalgic tanning lotion smell, but it does not have that like screechy scent or super solar scent of sunscreen, if that makes sense. The When I smelled this, it reminded me of Meet Me in Miami, which I love this one. And I know a lot of people also really love this one. And this one is the Breezy Palm Trees Cabana Coladas and Suntan Days. So I always thought I could kind of smell banana in this one. Oh, this is so good. This one's better. This one is better than the pink one. I don't know what it is, but it just smells better to my nose. But if you want an idea of what this new Sunsplash Vanilla and Dreamy kind of smells like, think about Meet Me in Miami. It's similar. They're not the same, but they have similar scent like profiles. And real quick, I just want to touch on these in case you didn't like catch my last video or you just want to hear what I think of these. So we have the Warm and Cozy, the Cotton Candy, Passion Fruit Dew, and Warm Sands. Yeah, it's pretty. It's just like a sweet, fruity, kind of tropical scent. I kind of feel like I can get like that cotton candy kind of in here. Like it gives it kind of almost like a strawberry fluffiness about it, but it's pretty. It's nice. And then we have the Sunsplash Fresh and Clean, which is dewy aloe, sea spray, and fresh honeydew. I like this one because I really like melon scents. You get that melon, but it's kind of like a sweet aquatic as well. I like this collection. I do. I don't know. I'm a sucker for like tropical fruity type of collections, but I definitely do enjoy Vanilla and Dreamy the most. Just know it is not like super banana. It's definitely more like a coconut with a little bit of banana. I would love for one of these companies like Bath and Body Works to bring out like a true artificial banana. Like I watched Skylar Capri's video and she said she would love like an artificial Laffy Taffy banana scent, and I would too. That would be so much fun. So I would, maybe they will. Maybe that new like Viva Brazil or Dreaming of Rio is going to be that banana scent we've been hoping for. Let's hope so. And then I also bought the Year of the Horse collection. So last year I did not pick up the Lunar New Year collection because it never came to my store. And I was definitely curious about this collection. I did read the notes though, so I do know this is a more like floral type of collection, but I was still curious, and I like how it has like the, what is it called? The Pegasus? The horse with the wings. I don't know, I just enjoy the packaging and the whole theming of this collection. But the one that I remember everyone was very excited about when we first got the sneak peeks is Jasmine Tea Sunrise. And this is bergamot blossoms, jasmine tea, and fresh cedarwood. And I think this is my least favorite. It does smell like jasmine tea. It really does. But you do get a lot of like fresh bergamot, like a whole ton of it. And a little cedarwood too. Yeah, I definitely could smell it. It's kind of like a very fresh floral, I guess, with a lot of like that cedarwood in there and bergamot. So it's okay for me. Like, I don't hate it, but it's not my favorite out of the Year of the Horse collection. And I'm not sure which one I like the most between these two yet. I think these are both good. So we have the Camilla Sunset. I love the coloring of it. And I remember when I read the notes for this collection, this is the one I thought I would like the most. And this is citrus pepper, camellia blooms, and suede sandalwood. Because that camellia is in perfect in pink. And that is why I was excited for this one. Yeah, I like it. It's definitely there's a sweetness to this. And it says citrus pepper. I'm not getting a whole bunch of pepper, but I will have to like use, I don't know, let it dry down on my skin because I feel like sometimes pepper takes, you could smell it on the dry down. But definitely when I first spray it, I feel like I could smell that camellia blooms. And as it dries down, I feel like I'm picking up more of that like sandalwood and the citrus notes coming through. How interesting. In the opening, it's sweeter, but as it dries down, you get the citrus and the sandalwood. I kind of like it. To me, it smells different. There's nothing I could think of on top of my head that quite smells like that. Yeah, I kind of like that. And then we have Lotus Cloud in the blue packaging. So this is pear sorbet, lotus flower, and cashmere air. This one I also thought smelled good. Yeah, this one smells familiar though. This one smells very similar to like another Victoria's Secret mist. Like I could definitely, like it smells like something I smelled before. I want to let it dry down on my other hand. Because when I first spray this, I feel like I could definitely smell like the pear sorbet note. And I know this is a note that Victoria's Secret has used on other collections that we got recently. I feel like as it dries down, it almost smells kind of aquatic. And I feel like I get more of that cashmere note, but it's pretty. So I don't know. Out of the Year of the Horse, I think these two are tied. I can't make up my mind which one I like more. And then we have Jasmine Tea Sunrise that I like the least, but I still think it's interesting. If you're like you like fresh, clean, florals, I think you would enjoy this collection. They're definitely nice dried down in the skin. And then the last item I picked up because I cannot count. I was only going to order 5 things and because I wanted to get to that $6 price point. So I threw this in, not realizing I already had five items. But I did pick up one that's been around for a while is the pink, the hair and body mist and rich honey. I just figured I'd grab it because I don't own it. So I did. And I usually enjoy these like hair and body mists from Pink. So I sprayed this one when I first opened it up. And by the way, I love how Victoria's Secret packages their body mist. They're all in individual boxes so they never get damaged. They do come in a bag, like a black Victoria's Secret bag, but every product is in their own individual box, like tightly secured. And I've never had an issue with anything breaking or anything. Bath and Body Works usually throws everything in the same box with like a little paper thing and just thrown in, and so everything is jumbled together, like the caps are all off the bottles, like it's a mess. This one is very, very, very light. Very, very soft. I could kind of smell it, but it's like a light, very, very, very light sweetness. But I can smell it smells pretty. It's definitely different than Bath and Body Works like honey comb scent. But if you like things that are super light, like just so like a light hint of sweetness, maybe this would be something you would enjoy because you can spray it in your hair and body, and it's alcohol free, and it's also moisturizing. And I think this would be good for like someone young too, just starting off with perfume or body mist because it's not that strong and it's alcohol free, which is nice. But that is everything I picked up from my order. Like I said, I am most impressed or pleased with Sunsplash Vanilla and Dreamy based on my personal scent preferences, which I like fruity, tropical, sweet type scents. But like I said, I can appreciate these. This isn't usually my type of scent, but there's something about them I like they're fresh, clean florals, and I kind of enjoy them because I find them a little different than what Victoria's Secret normally comes out with, except for this one, the Lotus Cloud. This one has is familiar. But that is it for today. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I did film my combos video, so that will be coming up soon. So keep an eye out for that one because I'm definitely in need of your guys' combo recommendations. But I hope you all have a wonderful, day. We are supposed to get a bad snowstorm coming in my area, but it's supposed to affect like more of the north towns like Niagara Falls, that area. So we'll see because they're calling up to 10 to 20 inches and like high winds. Thank goodness I am off of work tomorrow. But okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.